Good morning to all of you. And today we are going to see is nomenclature of cyclic compounds. So for an example, okay, let's start with a very simple nomenclature. Suppose a compound has been given to you like this. Now, as we know, you just need to give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It is a cyclic compound and it's cycloalkene rather say. So we call it cyclohexane. Correct on? However, suppose if we do have another compound like this, here, along with this, if we have a structure like this, then how are we name this? Always try to give numbering from the one where it starts. So we start to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's cyclopent 1, 3, cyclene. If it would have been a single, then is cyclopentene. Then we don't need to give any number. But if compound contains more than one double bond, then we have to give the number and start numbering from one double bond and get the other double bond into this number of alpha cyclopentene. So this is very simple one. If we have a compound like this, how do we name this? Can you give me any idea? From where you should start numbering first of all? OH is more important. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is cyclooctane. However, it contains OH, cyclooctanol, and it has chloro, methyl, and ethyl branch. So 5 ethyl. 4 chloro and 4 methyl cyclo and 1 oil. Yes, 3 chloro and this. Okay, then this you want me to write not this way. Here we have 3 chloro and ethyl. Chlorine का C comes before ethyl, right? Is it fine? Are you following that? In the organ, these are simple organic compounds, where cycloorganic compounds, where we need to get the nomenclature. And they may have like this also. A single one. Then from where are you going to start giving the names? Single OH. But either a single OH is the out of the group, because we have to be numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we are not counting the carbon of COH group. In cyclic compound, if you are not able to count that, then we will give the numbering like this. See, obviously this is 2 hydroxyl. Then we have hex, 3 and 5, 25, diene, 1 carboxylic acid, not oleic acid. since we could not count this carbon, so it becomes carboxylic acid. It's not, if you could count that, then we could use only OH. But cyclic compound normally COS you won't be able to count. It will be out of the chain. Are you doing this? Similarly, if you have CHO group from cyclic compound, it will be out of the chain. So we use the carbaldehyde. If we have ketone, then you use carboxo. Then you use carboxo. Are you following this? Because that carbon we are not counted, so carb word is being added. Then the carb word is being added. Is it understood? Okay. That's the one thing. Okay. But today, yes. I didn't write cycle. I'm sorry for that. Yes, it's cycle. It is cycle. Correct. I agree.
Carbon counting it to.
कैसे करेगा? No, you can't count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cycle has to count. Cyclic is from where you start, it should end there. Then it's called cycle. Then the cycle is over. The cycle is not over. You can start from there. You have to extend from the cycle. Correct or no? Okay. But they were simple cycles. Right now, I'm teaching you something. Bridge cyclic or bicyclic hydrocarbons. If you have something like this. Finding some difficulty with this program. I was talking to you about this. Suppose if we have structure like this. Suppose we have structure like this. It's called bicycle. You can see there are two cycles out there. Can you notice those two cycles? Okay. That's the one cycle and the second cycle. Even it's called the bridge cycle. Why it's called the bridge cycle? Because this is acting like a bridge between four bridge cyclic compound. What is the idea? It is a bridge. So that's why it's called the bridge cyclic compound. Bridge cyclic compound. What we can do? Okay, first simple way. Give numbers from here. As we can see, 1, 2. From where the bridge starts. Figure of that. From where the bridge starts, give the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And 7. Because each vertex represents a carbon. There are 7 carbon. That's why it is 10. That's why it is 10. Second thing, it has two cycles, so bicycle. This is called bicycle because two cycles are there. You can see that. This is called bicycle. And then in this square, what are we going to do? Okay. See, first in the square bracket, we are going to write down. Okay. Apart from this bridge, now you leave out this bridge vertices. Forget about those bridge vertices. End of those bridge. Okay. Then on the right hand side, branch, how many carbon do you have? 2. Right, 2. Then on left hand side, how many carbon do you have? 2. Again write 2. Okay, 2 dot 2. And in bridge, how many carbon do you have? 1. You don't need to count this 2. So 2, 2, 1. Always right, left, center. Always will go one way. Right, left, center. Very simple. Total carbon heptane, bicyclo heptane we know. And in okay, after bicyclo square bracket 2 2 1. Let's see another example. Can you see over here? Further. In this example, as we can see, okay, it's bridge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It should have been, you can see. This particular program I'm using first time in this one. Yeah, okay. You can see over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's bicyclo normal bracket. Okay, if we count the number of carbons 1, 2, 3. So 3. 1, 2, 2, and 1. You see? Any doubt over here? You continue for that. Yes? That particular shapes, it will be very complicated. Reason, it's not a planar structure. Since it is sp3, okay, there is one interesting thing. We try to understand. If I draw cyclobutane, normal cyclobutane we draw like this. Here, if I draw cyclobutane, we draw a simple square, correct or not? Just cyclobutane. Just cyclobutane. But it looks planar. It is not possible. It's not at all possible. See, for an example, this is our one butane, one methyl group. Let's say between there are 4 methyl groups are connected with each other. One, then second one is going to connect over here. 2. Okay. They will not make. It's not possible for them to connect all 4 in the same plane. 1, 2, 3 will be connected over here. 4th will be connected somewhere else. There is a crooked 3 dimensions. So I am talking about only butane. When we have butane, only 4 carbon are there. Okay? Pentane, okay, cyclopentane will be also different. So when you are saying a bridge will come up, everything will be 3 dimensions. So nothing will be, you cannot find it out. I can tell you about that. I'm just teaching you what's the nomenclature. What's the nomenclature? Is this understood? Now I'm teaching you one more. This is different than what I told. This is also cyclo. Like a bicyclic is there, but it doesn't have bridge. It has only one point count. Then they are called spiral. Then they are called spiral. Then they are called spiral. In this spiral, okay, what do we do? Total carbon we count. What do we do in here? We count total carbon. Let's be counting it here. You can see 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Always start giving the name from the, okay, seeing the 2 rings. We'll be having one ring which has, okay, less carbon from the other ring, or equal. There are only 2 options. Either they are equal or unequal. Equal है no issues, कहीं से भी नंबरिंग चालू करो. क्या करने का, यहाँ पे जो कॉमन पॉइंट है उसके आगे वाले से चालू करने का. और नॉर्मली यहाँ पे लेस नंबर ऑफ कॉमन. इट विल बी सीक्वेंस लाइक दिस. ओके, 1 2 repeat it. Equal 3 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Is it understood? So यहाँ पे नंबरिंग खत्म हो जाएगा. Okay, we count one carbon only one time. So here 1 2 3, correct? And both is 3 4 5 6 7. Then इसको छोड़ दो, एक्सक्लूड कर दो. On left hand side how many carbon we have? 2. Okay, so it's called spiro. Total is 7 carbon, have 10. Okay, जो छोटा वाला होता है वो पहले लिखते हैं, spiral 2. And other side में कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4. I don't know, 4 है. Spiral 4. Correct? Get me out of it. It's not there in the textbook, not there anywhere else. Sorry, these are both शायद नहीं, but okay, it's not that great difficult topic. Little level high. Yeah, because since also most of you are preparing from, I suggested, okay, boys should at least you start preparing REM. Some of you also REM करो या कुछ और करो. मैं आपको जो असाइनमेंट दूंगा उसमें ऐसे ना मारे. Are you following this? From that. So now I'll take the doubt lecture. Okay, I'll stop teaching today. It's gonna band kar. I think so. You have doubts. Do you have doubts to study module modern or papers of mine? Right or not? So reason I don't want you to come 2 times 3 times. Okay. सुबह स्टार्ट से पढ़ने के लिए अलग आ रहे हैं, क्लास के लिए अलग आ रहे हैं. I believe all these subjects are important for you. केमिस्ट्री अगर मैं मेहनत करवा तो अगर आप 2 दिन के लिए मैंने निकाल दिए तो आप स्टार बेच है, इस टाइम तक डाउट भी खत्म कर दूंगा. यू डोंट नीड टू कम अदर डे फॉर द डाउट आउट. समझ में आ रहा है कि क्या आ रहा है? फिनिश इट ऑफ. एंड क्या है कि आप सब ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल लेवल पे या थोड़ा आगे पीछे रहोगे तो आपके डाउट्स भी ऑलमोस्ट कॉमन रहेंगे. कि डाउट्स भी कैसे रहेंगे कॉमन, तो फटाफट मेरा भी काम इजी बनता जाएगा, हमारा काम भी इजी बनता जाएगा. करेक्ट हो ना?